Hi everyone, and this is Sandy, your OTE Section 14 facilitator, Sandy Figueroa. And you will see that usually when we come into the OTE Section 14, our section first, because that's what we're comfortable with. And I just want to go over this briefly because some of us are still questioning who's where, what's what, and all of this. Notice that the menu frame is in blue. Okay, and when you come in, you'll see the main workshop. So click into the main workshop. All right. Now, mind you, you still have the section 14 open in this tab. And here you are in the main workshop. All right. And notice that you start here, those of you who are still having trouble. All right. And I'm pretty sure that you all went through the videos, all of this. Okay. But there's something I want you to remember. Keeping the two tabs open. Okay. The section, which is what you automatically go into because this is your team or your group, and then the main workshop. Okay, keep those two open so that you're aware of what needs to be done. Okay, so you can see all of this, and I'm sure you've already seen this. This isn't anything new, but I just wanted you to be aware of this. And of course, we're still in Module 1 until midnight tonight or whatever time we're opening up the Module 2 tomorrow. Some of you were itching at chomping at the bit to begin your practice labs, and as you saw the email and the email announcement in Blackboard from our leaders, we're the facilitators, they're the organizers. We're starting the practice labs tomorrow. I've already made it available, but I think there's some other things that they're working on. All right, so this is what I really wanted you to take a look at. The discussion forum over here, this is, remember, the main workshop. So this is everybody who's involved in the workshop, all of the college campuses. Okay, so that's why you see like 150 something responses, 192, 231, and all of that. That is the entire, all of the participants in the workshop. Aside from, and that's why we're in sections. Okay, so you can see that, sections. All right, so you can see the difference. Now, when you have the practice labs, remember these two, the items in the main workshop and the items that you're reading and working on in the OT section prepare you for facilitating the practice lab. So for facilitating the course that you're going to be developing. This is going to be your practice, and then when we're ready to move you into your regular course, you're already prepared, so you don't have to do all of this. Oh, now I got to put everything here, there, and everything. So that's why we call this a practice lab. And I'm suggesting to you that you keep the 3 tabs open. Right now you only have 2. Okay, the announcements. I'm sorry, the section and the main workshop. And then at one point you're going to have the practice labs tomorrow. Open that up with the 2 tabs and the third one all together so that you can see what you're doing from the section and the main workshop will work together in the practice lab. And that's really what I wanted to share with you. So that, and I don't want to open it up now because it's really not made visible, but I wanted to make sure that you were comfortable in navigating. This also helps you to realize how important it is for you to navigate, be very clear with your instructions in navigating the site for your students so that they know exactly where they have to go, what they have to do, without the frustration of going back and forth. We do this with these workshops because we know that we have a limited amount of time, and this is not a 15-week semester. But it's good for you to understand and realize that if you're feeling frustrated like this now and you're all sophisticated, what about our students who are coming in for the first time or have a great deal of online classes to work with and everybody's going in a different direction? Okay? All right, so I just wanted to make sure that you understood that. Any questions that you have, I gave you my cell phone number, so please feel free to text me if you want to talk and say, I'm still not clear, and I know Sarah Kresh is available, so just let me know. And also let me know if you thought that this video was very helpful. I didn't prepare or plan this because I just felt it was just to navigate a little bit, make the navigation a little clearer. When I do something more serious, then of course I prepare and make sure that everyone understands. And sometimes it's not such a bad idea to be spontaneous because then there's a little more comfort level with the students. But again, that's everybody's preference. All right, folks, thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Happy Mother's Day to all of our mothers in our team, in our groups. Bye-bye.